Hello everyone, welcome back to IT System Admin. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove shortcut virus from Windows computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. First of all, go to Google Chrome browser. In search type 360 Total Security. Now hit enter. The first site is 360 Total Security Antivirus official site. Click on the link 360 Total Security for home and business. Scroll down. Here under free download, click on offline download. Download is started. This antivirus is very effective to remove shortcut virus from Windows computer. Download finished. Go to download. Click on show in folder. Now I need to install the antivirus. Right click on the program file and click on run as administrator. Close file explorer and minimize the browser. Select the language from here. I am selecting English and then click on install. Installing the 360 Total Security. Now click on continue. Installation has been finished. Now you need to run the 360 Total Security. Double click on the app. No need to create account. In left pane, click on virus scan. Now click on quick scan. Scanning started. First it scanning the system setting files. Already 4 thread found. And also in startup items, 3 threads already found. Here found 10 items to be resolved. Click on resolve icon and you need to restart your computer. I will restart later. Click on restart later. Now close 360 Total Security app. Click on start menu. To restart the computer, click on power and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope shortcut virus has been removed. If still not removed, go to 360 Total Security again. Click on virus scan and then go for full scan. And this will scan your whole computer and hope the shortcut virus will be removed from your Windows computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.